Moondrop has officially launched a brand new flagship earphone. Now, this is the Moondrop Illustrious Dynamic Driver earphone. This is an upgrade, at least a replacement for the Moondrop Illumination. Now, the Illumination came out many years ago, one of the very best earphones at the time. In many ways, many people gave it very high praise at the time, saying it's one of the most revealing and detailed sound experience they probably got at the time. So this Illustrious is going to take things to the next level in many ways, because it's coming with a patent 11 millimeter dynamic driver unit inside. Now this pair is very well built. It's a very robust design, a very premium titanium alloy shells, gold plated brace cavity structure. It has an economic shape, very well made in many respects. I think a lot of people will more or less be happy with this kind of replacement, because they didn't change too much from their original illumination product. The original illumination sets were very beautiful, very lovely to look at least from a distance. So they are continuing that same design. Now, in terms of what the dynamic driver in here is made out of, it's this tack diamond coated dome composite diaphragm. The brand says that it provides enhanced sound performance with insane clarity, very well detailed presentation with very revealing mid-range. Now, they say that this particular driver is based on the trusted LCP dome diaphragm technology. That they say this is a very well made dynamic driver. The only thing here is that many people generally do not like spending this crazy amount for a single driver setup. They just don't see the benefit of spending $900 to $1,000 on a single driver generally. So I don't know how well this will sell. The original illumination was so popular because of its design, and it had this gold look to it, made it so premium at the time. People liked that gold look. I'm surprised they didn't maintain the gold look with the illustrious the model. They would have maintained it. The only thing I see that retains the previous design is the nozzle. The nozzle still has that gold look to it, but other than the nozzle, every other thing is so different in many ways. Moondrop says that they are going to include a very high-end cable that would work properly with it, and they have tuned this set to follow the target curve that they always have on many of their earphones, which is Hammond tuning generally. So you're not going to have the most like I would say the most impactful bass, because that's not Moondrop. Moondrop doesn't really do impactful bass so much. They are into detail and resolution and sound stage in general. So that's it. Look, like I said, it's made out of titanium alloy material. It's very well built. You get a 3.5 millimeter single-ended connection in the box and a 4.4 balance plug in a package. So that's what you get. I'm going to drop details down below for you guys so you can check it out if you're interested. Do subscribe to the channel. Do like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.